Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Brian from Kaliro. Here we are today now. It has been a long time since I last posted a video from the garden. And guys, look how I'm dressing. Look look at the way I'm dressing up. Yeah, I'm dressing up like this because I'm in the garden. Today I came here in the garden. We have started again the work from the garden. You see, I'm from digging. Yeah, today I dug from there. As you can see, this new diggings. I don't know how, I don't know whether they call them new diggings, but that is it. So I've dug from there up to here, but I'm tired. The fact is I'm tired, so it's time to go back home. So guys, this is our garden. Last time I last posted the video when the other guys of the bulls were digging, like plowing, and this is what they did. So from that day I did never come back again. Yeah, I came back like 2 days back. I brought the other thing, the manure. I'm going to show you. So let me first take you around and you see how the other guys did. And this is our garden. It is our garden. In fact, this process I would have just bring the green pepper, because our nursery bed it is about to get ready to be transformed from the nursery bed. You know, this the green pepper, it is a bit, it has a lot of work, like it takes time in the nursery bed, but I didn't notice that at the beginning, because the person which is giving me advice on how to dig the green pepper, actually how to plant green pepper, is far from here. So he forgot telling me that I was supposed to make the nursery bed before I clean. But I saw someone in the comment section in the last video, someone came in the comment section as well, and was like, you're going to wait for almost 1 month. And it is true. So everyone out there, if you are planning to dig green pepper, make sure the nursery bed is done first. I'll never repeat that mistake. I did it because I didn't know that it was supposed to be like, I was supposed to make a nursery bed first, then we clean the garden. But for me, I cleaned the garden, and the reason to why I cleaned the garden first, it is because I had already paid the guys for the bulls to come and clean. So when I got money, I first paid those guys. So they came in the period where I was not expecting them. I thought that maybe they will take time to come. And you know, here, if you get money, like especially me, I don't have money. So if I get money for something, I make sure I fulfill that thing before some other programs can come in. So I paid them. They came, and I could not stop them because it was my turn. You know, they are busy. They are busy. And even here, they are supposed to come and help me, but because I don't have money, I decided to do it I myself. Yeah, I'll be digging slowly since the season is a bit dry. The rain is not. Actually, we are waiting for rain. It is going to rain. We expect rain in some few days to come. Actually, in some few weeks, we are expecting the rain. So the garden passes from there. As you can see, it ends there, and it goes up to the other side where you can see those new. Actually, that is a potato plantation. They are new. I'll take you there, but let me first pass here like this. So this is how big the garden is, and I'm supposed to dig. In fact, I like repeating repeating this garden, like digging it again. I don't know how they call it in English, but in our language, in Erulamuj, we call it okwirula, and in Erusoga they call okwirula. Yes, okwirula in Erusoga. So we are supposed to kwirula, like to clean the garden again for the second time, and then after cleaning, There we'll be ready to bring our seeds, our plants from the nursery bed. We bring them and we start like planting. So my land passes there, from there, here like this, up to the other side where we are going. That's how my land, that's where the land passes. So here, all of here, we are going to clean. I'm going to clean. Actually, I thought I can do this job alone, but because of time, I think I'm going to hire someone to come and help me, because I cannot finish the whole garden alone. Actually, I can finish it, but within the time that I have, because I have to clean, to dig, to redig. It is called the redig. Yeah, is it called the redigging? We are going to redig from there, because I've started, as you can see there. I've started. That's where I've dug today. So I'm supposed to dig the whole land from there up to there, and even here. Here I'm supposed to dig up to here. So because of time, because why am I rushing? I'm not going to use this the fertilizers from the shop. Yeah, because in the shop I'm going there to buy only spray, like the pesticides and those liquid manures, because there are those liquid manures that we just spray on the plants. Those ones are the ones that I'm going to get from the shop. But here I'm going to use the local one. This is what I wanted to show you, and I'm going to explain why I'm rushing. See, that's where I've dug. It is not easy. It is not easy. So this one is manure. This one, it is cow dung. Cow dung. I brought it from here. Actually, I got it from there, and I brought it here. Yeah. So instead of going to buy the manure, it is called the DAP. Here they use DAP. Actually, we use DAP. I don't know what you use there. And the DAP is the most common one and the cheapest to use. But there are very many there outside there in the shops, but they are a bit expensive, because my guy told me that there's a certain manure which I'm supposed, if I have money, I can put in. I can bring and put in, but it is expensive. It is almost $500,000, not even $500,000. It is a third Ugandan money million. So that one is expensive. I cannot afford. So I'm going to use this manure here. I'm going to use this manure. It's the one that I'm going to put. You see, this is cow dung, but this one is dry. I don't know whether you can see it, but it is cow dung, but this one is dry. But if you are here, you could feel the smell. The smell is for cow dung. You see? So I'm going to use this manure here, and the reason why I'm rushing, that's why the reason why I'm going to get someone to help me here, is that I was looking at those girls there, those young children there. This is the potato plantation. It is for my neighbor. My land passes there, but that one is for my neighbor. So the reason why I'm rushing to get someone to help me is that I want to put in that manure. We are going to put that manure in every hole, like the hole. Is it a hole? Is it a hole? Like where I'm going to put the plant. In every hole that I'm going to dig on the ground here, I'm going to put that manure. And that manure works well. Like you put in you put that manure in every hole, like in every plant, like on every plant. Is it like that? Guys, you can help me in the comment section. How did they call it? But everywhere where you dig a hole, we are going to put that manure. So we are going to put that manure. We put the manure and we give it time to get rotten from the land and to mix up with the land, okay, with the soil. So we are going to put that manure and we give it time. Like when as we are waiting for rain, we are going to first put that manure. We give it time. Like actually we are supposed to put them now. So anytime when it rains, that's when we are going to transplant our plants from the nursery bed. Then we come and put in the main garden. So that's why you see that I'm going to get someone to come and help me to dig this land, because I personally, like me alone, you may find that this one I will dig it in 2 weeks. To finish all of this, I can dig it for 2 weeks, because I'm not such the energetic guys, because we have guys here like this one can dig it in 1 day. This one someone can dig it in 1 day, the hole from there up to there. I know one guy here, he can dig this whole garden within 1 day and he finishes it. But I don't have money, so I'm going to get there's a certain, actually there's someone whom I've talked to from this village. I've talked to him and he told me he's going to come and help me. Yeah, we have agreed. I'm going to give him some small money so that he can help me. So I want him to help me. We finish this one. Then after finishing, we put the holes. Then we put the manure so that when rain comes, rain will find that the manure will be in the ground. Instead of using DAP, I'm going to use that manure. Instead of using DAP, I'm going to use that cow dung there, the one I bought, and I'm still bringing another more. Yeah, I have my bicycle there, so I'm going to, if those ones doesn't, because we don't put much, we are supposed to put little in the ground, because when we put much again, it will burn the plants, because there will be much. This cow dung keeps a lot of heat. I don't know why, but they keep a lot of heat. So we are supposed to put small so that it does not burn our plants. Small like this. This one I have to clean. It is having some paper. This one's polythene bags. So we are supposed to put small like this. Not much. We put small. Yeah, like this. We put in the hole. We dig, then we put. So we are supposed to my hole is there. So in every hole like this, you're supposed to pour like this. Then you cover with small land, small soil. Then we leave it. So when I bring actually I will show you the whole process. I'm going to show you the whole process when it reaches that time of putting the manure. Just make sure you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss that video of putting the manure. Then after there, we'll be waiting for spring. Actually, I will show you in another video everything. So in case you are new on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you can be able to watch it. And guys, we are still on the road to 1K subscribers. So share this video with others so that we hit the 1K subscribers. My name is Brian from Kaliro. Drop your comment. See you in another one.